everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I make my sandwich for lunch. I have some bread, cucumber, tomato. I'm adding some mustard and some cold cut meats. Then I will put the cucumber, then the tomato, and that's it. You can cut it into 4 parts and add some toppings. Welcome to add some sauce or dressing, but I'm not adding mine. This is a very easy sandwich to make, especially when you are busy working and you only have small amount of time for lunch. And it's time for lunch. Thank you for joining me today, and if you like this video, please comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.